The installation of any permeable pavement system begins with an excavation of the land according to the design specifications. It's critical to ensure the bottom of the excavation is flat in order for the stone that's placed on top of the soil and the eventual pavement placed on the surface to be perfectly level. A geotextile, or filter fabric, designed to let water infiltrate through, is lined along the bottom of the excavation to prevent the soil from affecting the pavement. The reservoir layer is the lowermost layer of the system, made of one or more subsections of small stone, and it's where the water is stored for a time as sediment and other harmful solids are filtered out through the stone. A bedding layer of stone is put on top of the reservoir that the surface material will be laid upon. The surface pavement is placed next. The type of material used is determined based on the location, topography, overall size of the system, as well as other factors. Generally, pavers are chosen for smaller systems meant for driveways or patios, whereas porous asphalt or concrete will be used for larger scale applications. For systems that utilize individual pavers, fine gravel is put in between each one, which will allow water to flow through while removing the cracks. For more information about permeable paver systems and whether they're right for your site, consider contacting Stormwater professionals.